Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Research Hour. This is me, Aisha Kapar here. Today I'm going to talk about not a single scholarship opportunity, but today I will be sharing about multiple scholarships in Canada. So stay tuned till end, okay? Today, as you guys all know that this is my scholarship series, and today I am going to share about different kind of scholarships where you can apply, and you guys can get the scholarship and as well as admission or based on that scholarship, and you guys can carry your studies or academic things for free. Okay, so I know most of the time students are dreaming of studying abroad, so this video is for you. Watch till end. Okay, so let's get started. As you guys can see from here, like this is the study in Canada, and most of the time different scholarship have haven't such kind of their requirements. Okay, like they offer scholarships without IELTS, and sometimes they offer fully funded scholarships as well, and they offer scholarships for bachelor's, masters, and PhD. And I know bachelor scholarships are very rare scholarships, but let's explore and different kind of scholarships, and let's see what they are offering to different school students. Okay, so this is their advertisement, and this is study in Canada without IELTS for 2025 intake. So I'm not gonna read all the things in detail. I'm just gonna read what is important, and what you are like, what is important for you guys. So I'm just gonna read on that. So I have already told you that sometimes specific universities require specific types of tests, such as TOEFL, DONGILO, or university specific assessments. So keep that thing in your mind, that which university which you will be like applying. Make sure to study first about their requirements. Make sure to explore their from their homepage, and make sure to keep all the things in mind. Sometimes their advertisement, they have written over here, like for example without IELTS. So sometimes they write different things in advertisement, and sometimes when you open their websites, so you will see different things. So this is a kind of disappointed thing, but I will share with you guys the procedure how you guys can explore further. Okay, so don't depend on that kind of what should I say, that kind of advertisement or that kind of pages. Okay guys, so okay, so there is a list of different universities you guys can see. So they have different requirements. It is not saying, I'm not saying that these universities didn't accept IELTS at all, but yes, they accept IELTS at all. I am gonna share one thing with you guys, like as an example. This is the Brock University. Okay, Brook University. I'm gonna share it on the Google. This is the university's official website. Make sure to click over here, and these are the by the way, these are the different universities which are accepting applications and which are offering fully funded scholarships. Okay, so you guys will, your time will be saved by just searching from the Google. Okay, so this is their home page. You guys can see registration for spring summer courses is now open. You guys can choose from hundreds of courses available. You just have to like make sure to explore from their homepage, and just get the information and which is essential for your program, and just choose which program you want to apply. Once you have chosen the program, but you have chosen your degree, for example, you guys want to apply from this Brook University. So the next step, I'll cover the next step in the in next coming few minutes. Okay, so this is the one example of the Brook University. Okay, you guys can apply to another country as well. Sorry, another university as well. Like for example, this is the Queen's University in Canada. You guys just have to search from Google. This is the Queen's University Canada. You guys can search it from Google, and just have to learn about, just have to study about their programs and all the things. Okay, just go to the academic section, and you guys can see which program and departments they are offering, and what are the undergraduate studies and all the things. And also you guys can get access from their you guys can get access to their faculty and staff, and you guys can get all the things which you guys wanna know before admitting any kind of university. Okay, so yeah, these are the different example. I'm just gonna let you guys know that these are the different things that you have to know before application or before applying any university in any country. Okay, not in just Canada. So this is the first step. This is the very first step. Now let's discuss top 10 scholarships in Canada. So there are different scholarships where you can apply. Based on these scholarships, you guys can get admission in these top universities of Canada. Okay, so I'm again saying that don't rely on this information only. You just have to like check on your own. I am going to give you 2 to 3 examples by opening these different kind of scholarships. Okay, so this is for example scholarship, and I'm just putting it here in another browser, and I'm just okay, this is the information. You guys gonna get all the kind of information. Okay, and once you get the information, and you are like know about the application procedure or all the things. So just like when you think that you are good to go, then just apply. Okay, so I will explore one of these, and I will share with you guys how you can apply and what kind of these scholarships are. Okay, so this is the Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarships, and they are offering 50,000 stipend per year. Okay, so you guys can see over here that anticipated announcements of result is from mid-April 2025, and I hope they haven't closed their application procedures, or they haven't closed their application dates, because I am making this video in 1st April. So I hope they haven't closed. If they have closed their applications, don't worry, they will reopen their applications very soon. So you have to like bookmark this kind of websites in your laptop, in your mobile, so that you guys didn't miss any kind of update. Okay, so this is the fully funded Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship. This is the all information that you guys know before applying. So you guys can see over here they close their applications into October 2024 for 2025 intake. To make sure to keep that thing in your mind that if you want to apply, so make sure to apply before October for 2025 2026 April 2026 intake. Okay, so this is this scholarship is only for masters and PhD. I'm not gonna give you a detail of this scholarship because this is already closed. So let's find another scholarship. Okay, this is another scholarship, as you guys can see over here, and I hope the deadline is not over. Okay, so you guys can see over here that this is the benefits of foundation scholarships, and you guys can see that the seats are of 50,000 per year dollars for 3 years to cover tuition and reasonable living expenses. And these are the different things that you know about their scholarship program. Okay, so now let's explore where is the deadline. Okay guys, you guys can see over here that 2025 doctoral scholarship competition is now closed, and over 680 quality applications have been submitted. You guys can see over here. I'm just giving you an overview that for future, make sure to save all these scholarship websites into your laptop, in your mobile screen, into everywhere, into to-do list. Make sure to do not miss any opportunity for 2026 year. Okay, and following a rigorous selection process, we will let you know in May, and they will let you guys know if any of the student have already applied in that particular scholarship. So they will let you guys know next month. So you guys can see the eligibility criteria. You guys can check this is the eligibility criteria for their master's program, for their doctoral program, and they have like given you the virtual information sessions. Like this is the most important thing that you should know, that uh, make sure to connect with them through the virtual sessions. These sessions are very helpful for you guys, because they give you understanding about the scholarship, and they give you the brief overview of how you can apply and what are the benefits of different scholarships. So once you will okay, the question arises over here that how you guys can get the information, virtual scholarships applications or virtual scholarships connects. So once you guys will log in through your email, so they will send you link through email, and just have to like click over here and join the session. So I've already joined different sessions, and I've already gained a lot of knowledge, and I've already asked them a little few questions also. So the next thing is that special notes for candidates. So you guys can see over here that the foundation asked the applicants to apply directly via its application platform. So universities are not required to nominate their candidates as well. So these are the different questions you guys should know. For example, this is the 2025 session competition, September 9, 2024. 2025 application periods opens from November 20, 2024. So if you guys wanna apply for 2025 or 2026, sorry, 2026, you guys must start exploring for different scholarship in the end of 2025. Okay. So this is the application procedure. So deadline to apply to the foundation is, you guys can see over here, January 2025, 27th January 2025, and then these are the different dates for their like announcement, and for their sometimes they get the interviews of the scholars, and then finally they just official, they just give you an official announcement of 2025 scholars, okay, in May. So I'm just going to give you a brief introduction. I'm not going to tell you that the applications is opened, and the most important thing that is MC call Macmin scholarship, and this is a most handsome, and this is the most strong application or scholarship you guys gonna ever get. So make sure to apply through this. So the procedure is a little bit lengthy of MC called MACBAN scholarships, but if you get the scholarship, you guys will be like lucky enough to get the scholarship. You guys will be lucky enough to get admitted in Canada. Sorry, in Canada, yes. So you guys can see over here that the deadline is also passed, but for future, for 2026 intake, you guys can apply through this. And this scholarship is a dream scholarship for every kind of students, and I will share the information, I will share the advertisement soon, once they will like open the scholarships, and you guys should keep checking my community posts. I will be posting over here, okay. So yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to let you guys know that these are the different kind of scholarship for 10 scholarships, okay. You guys should know about these scholarship websites, and you guys should know about the deadlines, and must make sure to apply before the deadline, okay. So this scholarship is only available right on that particular time. You guys can apply over here because they have different deadlines. So you guys just have to explore on their own, then apply. If you have any kind of if you guys have any kind of information, and if you guys know that any kind of scholarship is open, so make sure to apply through it, okay. Okay, so these are the different documents do you require for application, but this is the thing that you guys discuss later if you get the scholarship, or sorry, if you wanted to apply for the scholarship. So this is the afterward thing that we will discuss in another video, in another scholarship opportunity, once I will share the like recent scholarship with you guys, okay. So yeah, the page is open now. You guys should I will Okay, I will put the link of the scholarship page in the description of this video. You guys can apply through the scholarship page, and if you guys get interested in their bunch of their program. Okay, so let me check the award deadlines first. I hope it's not over. Okay, guys, so I hope this deadline is passed also. So yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to share the different scholarship and different universities in Canada with you guys. So I will meet you another video with another scholarship opportunity, with an other latest scholarship opportunity. Keep watching on my, keep watching to me on my channel, and let me know if you have any comments, if you have any question. Keep writing down in the comment section. I will be back to you guys as soon as possible. Okay guys, we will meet you in another video, in another scholarship opportunity. Till then, Allah Hafiz.